Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a subtitle on YouTube. Now let's get started. First, open your YouTube apps and watch the video and click the video that you wanted to watch. Maybe this one. And if you want to add a subtitle on this video, so you just click on this icon, so you just click on this icon, this one, or you can click on a setting, this one in here, click on it. And then in here you can click on in here you can click on CC caption, click on it. And in here you can click on Indonesian or maybe to English like this. And finish. So that's how to add subtitle on YouTube. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.